Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Whenever we come to the protocol, it is known as the set of instructions or set of rules. So if you go for any of the college, the students, they have to follow the rules, and this is the protocol of that particular college. Definitely that particular staff will be advising that particular person or ordering that particular person. So in that way, they have to follow the line, or they have to follow the daily timing basis. They are not supposed to do any of the malpractices in exam. So these are all some protocols, right? In like that way, the protocol is even applied even in this embedded communication devices. So within this particular communication device, in which way it has to send message, in which way it has to receive the message, what kind of message can be sent, at what time it can be sent. So everything will be comes under the protocol. So when we go for this protocol oriented section, simple mail transfer protocol is one of the famous protocol, and this protocol has been enabled before 2000 itself. It is not that Internet of Things is a recent kind of technology. Only the applications has been changed into the recent times, like home automation, and we can go with hospital bookings or that Ola, Uber, everything. So those are all some of the recent applications. Whereas the IoT has been started to work when the internet has been developed. So in previous days, they were only using for sending mail or their chat. Okay, but nowadays, since everyone is available with the Android phones with the mobile network, so it became so easy, and therefore they don't know what kind of protocol each and every application is working, and they itself don't know whether that particular device is running with IoT or not. Any device which works on internet is specifically called as Internet of Things. So just make that sure. So here the most of the internet systems using SMTP only, especially for mail. So what we think in the sense, SMTP protocol is a simple mail transfer protocol which can be run with the help of an embedded device, and whatever the mail checking process which we are currently doing on. So within that also this SMTP protocol also working over there. So how in the sense? So within this SMTP, we have a common cloud according to the respective mail ID. For Gmail, it will be the Google Cloud. For Yahoo, it is Yahoo Cloud, and it goes on. It depends upon the each and every domain. So whenever we go for that particular cloud, the sender's mail will be transferred through the internet, and when it reaches to the receiver, if the receiver wants to open that particular mail and read, that particular mail option or that particular cloud server should have these two protocols over there: post office protocol, and at the same time internet message access protocol. So what is this post office and internet message in the sense? Post office is nothing but to transfer one form of communication to another, from one place to another. For that only they are using this post office protocol. And that IMAP protocol is nothing but to read whatever the message provided by the sender through internet itself. If that particular receiver has to access, then this protocol should be enabled over there. And I hope how many of them has noticed this error whenever you just open your Gmail or try to open this Gmail without your internet. They'll be showing either POP3 or IMAP3 is not working. So it is nothing but due to less speed of internet connectivity, or then within that place there is no internet connectivity, and at the same time some of them the virus will be blocking that particular internet connectivity. These are the most three chances, because without internet connectivity there is no chance of providing the permission to access the message. So that's why you might have seen it, that particular POP3 or IMAP is not available, and then sometimes IP address can't be connected. So that and all completely regarding towards the system fault only. Okay, so these are all the oldest kind of messages which we see in mails. Now it won't be available. So next is nothing but MQTT protocol, like message queuing telemetry transport. So each and every messages will be sent by one by one, so in a form of queue. So first whatever we send, that will be sent as a message, then next, in that way. But this particular MQTT works based on one master and multiple slaves. There is no limit for multiple number of slaves and all. The one message can be received by n number of persons, but only that particular topic should be valid. This is similar like WhatsApp only, but WhatsApp doesn't works on this particular MQTT protocol. WhatsApp will be working with the UDP protocol only, because it should be simultaneously for everyone, as nowadays they have enabled the WhatsApp group calls, group chats and group video calls. So that is why they are using UDP protocol. Initially it was MQTT protocol only. Through message they will be able to send some kind of message. Only through internet it is possible. Without internet it is not possible. But now you can communicate at the same time with multiple persons, known as conference calls or group messages. So for that group messages and all, they are using UDP protocol. The same UDP protocol only they are using in Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix, like that kind of streaming, including YouTube. And now this particular MQTT is mostly used for machine-to-machine communication. For example, whenever you order any of the e-commerce oriented systems from Amazon or Flipkart, you will be able to see their update. That particular update only will be able to see by you, because you have only that particular access of the tracking ID for your product, and that particular message is not visible to all of the Flipkart account members. So for that they are using the MQTT. In case if they want to share the same message to multiple persons, they might have used the UDP protocol. So like this, many of them are using it in logistics, security surveillance, industrial energy, medical healthcare and transportation logistics. Even for some of the cloud protocols also, not cloud protocol, to upload the data in the cloud, we can use this MQTT and UDP or TCP protocol. So this is nothing but known as the workflow of MQTT protocol. So here a single transmitter will be there. You will be having a topic which is known as unique, like a mobile number. So when the consumer is available with that particular kind of number, therefore they will be able to receive the equal message. Okay. User data program. Sorry, it's not program, it comes under the protocol by mistaken. No, these protocols are not listed in this particular syllabus. Overall in IoT itself, we will be working only this protocol with cloud, MQTT, UDP, TCP. So these are the main highlighted protocols used in IoT, especially with embedded. Now these protocols doesn't work with algorithms. If SMT is used, it is only for sending the mail. MQTT is used only for working with message. UDP is to share the single data with multiple receiver in that way, or unique format. No, whatever the protocol I have listed now, only that we will be seeing. HTTP comes under web page design. It comes under the web designing. That doesn't come under IoT. Okay. Yeah, many of them are thinking regarding toward the protocols of internet or networking. So this is not networking protocol. This completely comes under the IoT, which you will be able to work with internet as well as the particular thing whatever you are using. It may be any sensor or controlling devices. So regarding that only this particular session will be going on. Okay. So first let us see regarding towards the sensors. So after working with the sensors, we will be interfacing the same sensor to working with the cloud. So before working with sensors, we should know how to connect it. So here this is known as the GPIO pin. So this particular pin diagram, using only we will be connecting all the sensors over there. We will be connecting ADC over here, and we will be connecting a digital humidity and temperature sensor. ADC is used for moisture sensor, and digital reading is used for humidity and temperature sensor. For digital type of connecting, we can directly connect towards this GPIO, because in Raspberry Pi all the pins are known as the digital pins. It doesn't have any of the single analog pin also. So here we will be using this ADC, and this particular ADC, whatever we are using it as PCF 8591. So with the help of that particular module only, we will be interfacing our moisture sensor. I think it will be better if we go with DHT at starting, because DHT is very simple. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.